200 yards. Hold at 11 mil. Pumapalo din ng hangin. Firing ready. Hit. 200 yards, sir, Napoleon. Easy bitchy. Madaling-madali na lang sa kanya, Sir Napoleon. Yan po yung unit ninyo. 71 using slug 26.2 grains. Okay na, okay na. Send namin yung loop sa inyo later on. Thank you, sir.